Please, please give it to me. Please.
No, it'll shoot them all. It'll shoot them all.
Come on, drive. Please drive well, dude. Please drive well.
Can you make it to extraction?
If I drive
Can he do it?
really freaking well.
So far, not doing that much. You should probably hide.
Hi there, friend. No.
That was like the clutch of a lifetime there. This is why I hate
They don't even know I exist, okay? Okay, 1 minute, dog. 1 minute and they don't know I exist.
There's a whole lot of bugs down there.
I see that. I have 2 stims though in the freaking dream.
2 stims in a dream is so real.
If I don't move. If I don't move. Dude. No.
No.
Dying like that is so sad.